Hi, I'm Corinne, I Knit and Crochet, and today we're going to be doing part 3 to my Christmas dish scrubby series. Last time we made this cute little hat, and the time before that was a candy cane, and today we're going to make this cute peppermint scrubby. It's made all in one piece. We do some increasing and then we do some decreasing for the back and cinch it shut. What I used was Loops and Threads Squeaky Clean yarn in the color Chili and the color Snow. You're gonna need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, but for the actual tutorial, I'm gonna be using Caron Simply Soft and a 5 millimeter hook, just so that you can see the stitches a little bit better and a little bit more defined, because this is kind of tricky to see, but shockingly, it was not that tricky to work with. I had a much better time working with this than I expected. If you would like to follow the written pattern for this round dish scrubby that looks like a little peppermint, you can find it over on my blog. But if you would like to purchase the ad-free PDF with all 3 dish scrubbies, you can find that on my Etsy and Ravelry, and of course, I'll tag everything below. Let's get to making. Let's begin. We're going to start with the color red. We're going to begin with a magic ring. So we're making a slip knot. I like to hold my slip knot so it's a little loose. It's not all the way tight to the hook. I grab that and then I yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I chain 1. And then I like to pull my tail to see which piece of yarn is moving. And then I crochet around the 2 other loops. So I'm going to half double crochet 6 to start. We're gonna do a total of 8, but we're switching colors. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do need to do 1 more red, but we're gonna stop halfway through to switch colors to the white. So we're yarning over, insert into the magic ring, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on hook. This is where we're dropping the red and you're picking up the white. Yarn over with the white, pull through the 3 loops. And then you're going to half double crochet back into that magic ring. And there we have 8 half double crochets. From here, we're going to go on to round 2, and you're going to 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. So you'll have a total of 16 stitches at the end. But we're going to start with 13 white stitches. But again, we're going to half double crochet 2 in the first one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 go in the next. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we're going to do 13, but we're going to do half a stitch. 13. Finishing it with the red. So we inserted, I have the 3 loops on the hook, yarn over with the red, pull up a loop. Now we got to work stitch 14 in the same stitch. And then 15 and 16 go in the following stitch. So there are 13 white stitches and 3 red. For round 3, you're going to 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch and then 1 half double crochet in the following stitch all the way around. So you'll end up with 24 stitches. But we're going to do 18 red stitches and then 6 white stitches. So we're doing the 18 red stitches right now. So we have to do 2 half double crochet in that first stitch and then 1 in the next. So that's 3, 4 and 5, followed by 6, 7 and 8, and then 9 follows, 10 and 11 in the next stitch, 12, 13 and 14 in the next, 15, 16 and 17 in the next. And then we're on 18. We're going to do half that stitch. So we have 3 loops of the red and then finish it with the white yarn to switch color. So that's 18 stitches. 19 and 20 go in the next. 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. And then the final stitch, 24. Round 4. You're gonna increase in the first stitch and then half double crochet twice, all the way around. And we're gonna do 24 white stitches followed by 8 red stitches. So we're gonna increase in that first stitch. 1, 2, followed by 2 regular half double crochets. So we're at 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 go in the same one, followed by 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15, 16. 17 and 18 go in one, 19 followed by 20, increase again, 21, 22, followed by 23 and 24. You're going to stop with the 3 loops on the hook and then you'll pick up the red and pull it through. And now we're going to do 8 red stitches, continuing in the same pattern. So we had that increase, half double crochet, half double crochet. So this next one is an increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 32 stitches. We did 24 white stitches followed by 8 red stitches. For round 5, you're going to increase, followed by 3 half double crochets. And then you repeat that all the way around, and we're going to do 30 red stitches. So we'll start with that increase. 1, 2, followed by 3 half double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16 and 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more stitches in the red. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27, 28, 29, and now we're on 30. We're stopping midway through the stitch. Pick up the white, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Now we have 10 more stitches to do. So the next one is an increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Increase. 1, 2, followed by 3. 3, 4, 5. There's 40 stitches now, and we're on round 6. So this time you'll increase and then half double crochet 4 all the way around. We'll start with 35 white stitches followed by 13 red stitches. And now that we're getting a little farther along, I am gonna place a stitch marker. I'm placing it in the last stitch. So we need to do 35 white stitches followed by 13 red stitches. We're gonna increase. 1, 2, followed by 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. Increase 7, 8, and then 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, increase, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have 5 more stitches to do. 31, 32, 33, 34. We're going to do half a stitch. This is 35. Use the red, pull it up. 35. And now we need to do 13 red stitches. So we're at 36. So we have the increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going to increase again. Increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, good. We have 13 in the red and 35 in the white. So we have 48 stitches. And now we can cut the white yarn because we're going to use red for the rest of the pattern. Now we're on the second half of the pattern. We're on round 7. We're going to half double crochet in the back loop all the way around. So I'm going to keep that stitch marker there so I know where we're at. We're going to half double crochet in the back loop only all the way around, and there should be 48 stitches. And then after round 7, we'll begin decreasing. So I've half double crocheted in the back loop only all the way around. So we're basically going to be decreasing to close in on this side. Round 8, half double crochet 2 together and then half double crochet 4 all the way around. So we're going to start by a decrease. You're yarning over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the following stitch, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And then half double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do that again. I'm gonna yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the following stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 4 loops on the hook. And then half double crochet 4, and then just continue to repeat that around. Now moving on to round 9, we're going to half double crochet 2 together and then half double crochet 3 around, and you'll end up with 32 stitches. So let's begin. Again, we're decreasing, yarn over, insert to the hook, pull up a loop, insert in the following hook or stitch and pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through the 4 stitches, and then half double crochet 3. 1, 2, 3. And then repeat that all the way around, decreasing, and then half double crochet 3. Round 10, you're going to decrease and then half double crochet 2 all the way around, and then you'll end up with 24 stitches. So beginning, again, we're half double crocheting 2 together, and then half double crochet 2. 1, 2. And continue around. On to round 11, you're going to decrease and then half double crochet 1, and you'll end up with 16 stitches. So again, just like all the other rows or rounds, we're going to start with a decrease, followed by 1 half double crochet all the way around. On to the final round. Round 12 is half double crochet 2 together all the way around, and you'll end up with 8 stitches, and then we can finish the scrubby. You're going to flatten it out so the 2 sides are against each other. We're going to cut the yarn with a tail. You can finish that off. I'm just yarning over and pulling through the loop. And then you're going to take your tapestry needle, thread the tail onto the tapestry needle. And then I'm going to thread around that front loop on the 8 stitches from the last row. I'm just whip stitching. And then pull to cinch it tight. And then you can take your tapestry needle and weave in the ends. Remove the stitch marker. And there we have another scrubby. And this is how it looks with the actual scrubby yarn. I love it so much. I think it's going to do a great job. But this could also make a cute little ornament. So be creative, enjoy yourself, and happy making.